Is it time to buy or sell Sunrun stock? In this video, we will explore Sunrun in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 6th of August, 2025, our system has ranked Sunrun as a strong sell candidate, giving it a score of -5.45. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to see how it unfolds in the coming days. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and moderately weak upward trend in the short term, and indications suggest a potential increase within this trend. The present 3-month trend points to a possible change of nearly 9% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from -23% to +66%. In terms of a longer perspective, our analysis over 12 months forecasts a projected change of -51%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could vary from -89% to -42% over the next year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price between approximately 98 cents and $5.22. Our latest daily update for Sunrun includes the headline, Sunrun stock downgraded to strong sell candidate. The Sunrun stock price decreased by 3.72% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 6th of August, 2025, falling from $9.42 to $9.07. This marks the 4th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 4.77%, with a low of $9.01 and a high of $9.44. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of those days, resulting in a decline of 14.76% during this period. Notably, trading volume increased by 3 million shares on the last day, even as prices fell. This trend may serve as an early warning, suggesting a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 12 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $111,095,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $22.26, while the lowest price was $5.38. Currently, the price is 59.25%, or $13.19, below the 52-week high, and 91.01%, or $91.86, below the all-time high recorded on January 12, 2021, when the price peaked at $100.93. Sunrun Incorporated, ticker symbol RUN, experienced a substantial rise in its stock price following the release of its second quarter earnings report, which highlighted impressive growth metrics. The company's aggregate subscriber value climbed to $1.6 billion, an increase of 40% year over year. This aligns with a significant contracted net value creation of $376 million, equating to $1.64 per share, a remarkable 316% year-over-year growth. Furthermore, Sunrun reported a cash increase of $33 million and sustained positive cash generation for 5 consecutive quarters, reaffirming its guidance for 2025 between $200 million and $500 million. Moreover, just prior to these results, Sunrun made headlines for successfully dispatching a record amount of energy to California's grid during a historic event, showcasing its strategic value as the largest provider of residential battery storage. This incident, combined with positive earnings, may enhance investor confidence in the stock, likely attracting long-term buyers. As the company not only demonstrates financial health, but also strong operational capabilities, we anticipate this momentum to have a positive impact on RUN's stock price in both the short and long term, driven by heightened interest in sustainable energy solutions amid increasing demand. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of June, 2025, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned RUN a sector perform rating along with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, The 17th of June, 2025, KeyBank reported a underweight rating for Run, also accompanied by a downgrade action. On the same day, GLJ Research rated Run with a sell grade and issued a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, BMO Capital provided Run with an underperform rating and a downgrade action. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, UBS rated Run as a buy with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Sunrun stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Sunrun. Currently, there are few to no technical positive signals. The Sunrun stock holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a more negative outlook for the stock. During upward corrections, resistance may occur at the levels of approximately $9.89 and $9.39. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 15, 2025. And since then, the stock has declined by nearly 30%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Notably, trading volume increased while prices fell yesterday. This may signal early warning signs, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 57 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 24 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages also shows a buy signal from 30 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you're looking for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Sunrun. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $8.18 and $7.20. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead the stock to fall to the next support level. In this instance, Sunrun finds support at $8.18. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $7.20 and $6.88. This stock exhibits average movements throughout the day, and with solid trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated 430 cents between its high and low, representing a change of 4.77%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 4.62%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Sunrun, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is losing money. Even established companies may experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could signal insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 18 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Sunrun. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Sunrun is at $9.84. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could serve as a consideration point for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Sunrun faces its first support level at $8.18. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Sunrun from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 7th of July, 2025, Barack Maria executed an insider sale of 988 shares of common stock. On the same day, Dixon Paul S. conducted an insider sale of 8,010 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Howell Mary executed an insider sale of 11,509 shares of common stock. On the 7th of July, 2025, Abaji and Danny made an insider sale of 8,909 shares of common stock. On the same day, Abaji and Danny conducted another insider sale of 9,138 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power has been calculated to be positive with a ratio of approximately 47.574. In total, insiders purchased 1,541,090 shares and sold 578,882 shares in the last 100 trades. We maintain a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is Sunrun stock a good buy? The Sunrun stock shows several concerning indicators. Despite a positive trend, we anticipate that Sunrun will likely underperform in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our recommendation from a buy to a strong sell candidate since the last evaluation. After examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 7th of August, we expect Sunrun to open higher by 10.3 cents, starting at $9.17. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a lovely day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.